Question number 71. Let's read the question. During formation of O2, from O2 minus, electron is released from the orbital. Student, for this question we have to write the electronic configuration of O2 minus, and then we'll be able to identify that from which orbital the electron is being removed. So O2 minus 17 electrons, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then we have sigma 2pz, then pi 2px, pi 2py, 2 each, then pi star 2px, 2py. So student, here 17 electrons, so 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. That means if O2 minus changes to O2, the electron is being removed from pi star orbital. So let's see, this is sigma 2pz, sigma star 2pz, pi 2px, pi star 2px. So the electron is being removed from the pi star 2px or y orbital, because both the orbitals, that is pi star 2px and pi star 2py, have same energy. So no matter if pi star 2py is written. So the correct answer is option number 4. Going to next question, students, which is 72. Let's read the question. The pair of species with same bond order is. Students, for this question we have to calculate the bond order of the species given, starting with NO and NO plus. The bond order of NO plus is 3 and the bond order of NO is 2.5. So 1 is an incorrect option. Next is NO plus and NO minus. The bond order of NO plus is 3 and the bond order of NO minus is 2. Moving to next, O2 plus and O2 minus. The bond order of O2 plus is 2.5 and the bond order of O2 minus is 1.5. Moving to the last option, N2 plus, N2 minus. Both N2 plus and N2 minus have bond order 2.5. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 73. Let's read the question. The correct order of covalent character is. Students, for this question we need to know that on increasing the size of cation, the covalent character decreases. Student, for this question, first of all we need to say that in all the cases the anion is O2 minus, but the cations are changing. So according to Fazan's rule, as the size of cation increases, the covalent character decreases. As a result, the correct order of covalent character is beryllium oxide, then magnesium oxide, followed by calcium oxide, strontium oxide and barium oxide. That means the correct order is represented in option number 1. So answer is option 1. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 74. Let's read the question. Which one of the following pairs is isostructural? That is having the same shape and hybridization. So students, let's find out that which pair of molecules or ions is isostructural. Starting with option number 1, BCl3, NF3. So student, let's start with BCl3. The shape of BCl3 molecule is trigonal, planar, and the shape of NF3 is pyramidal. Moving to next, BF4 minus. Student, here it is tetrahedral. And H2O. Oxygen has 2 lone pairs and two bond pairs and the shape is bent. Moving to next, BF4 minus, we have already discussed. NO3 minus, the shape is trigonal planar, and this is BF4 is tetrahedral. Moving to next, BF4 is tetrahedral and ICl4 is also tetrahedral. That means in option number 4, both the species have the same shape and hybridization. That means are isostructural. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 75. Let's read it. In ClO4 minus ion, the effective charge on each oxygen atom and ClO bond order respectively are. So student, here ClO4 minus. Let's draw the structure. Cl double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, O minus. And this negative takes part in resonance. And due to resonance, the negative charge is distributed equally at all 4 oxygen atoms. As a result, we can say that the effective charge on each oxygen atom is minus 0.25, that is minus 1 divided by 4. Now the bond order of ClO bond is equals to number of sigma bonds plus number of pi bonds upon number of sigma bonds. Sigma bonds are 4 and pi bonds are 3 upon 4. That is 7 by 4, which is equals to 1.75. So the correct answer is represented in option number 2. Moving to next question.